Seriously, it's so flavoured. This is my second sip, alright?
It tastes like special brew.
Oh my god, it's like drinking perfume. It's like drinking perfume. What's it like for you, babe?
It tastes like I'm at the school disco and I've gone to off license and got 4 cans of Special, Hell Special Brew. It's alright, that.
No, it's challenging beyond belief, and I feel like I need to drink it, but
Fucking dead by you drinking it.
it's going to be my last drink of the night, I'll tell you that.
No, that was a blonde beer at the Abyss.
I'd like to have a blonde beer at the bit. Well, I'm not having that after this.
You will.
I won't.
You will.
Sean keeps telling me what to do. It's hilarious. But I'm not. That's going to be a difficult one. That.
You're supposed to be a scout, isn't it?
No, oh God.
Oh God.
I've got itchy eyes as well. I don't know whether the
God.
itchy eyes has got to do with the contact lenses or the wind in my eyes constantly, or the beer, which is like challenging beyond belief, or you're just getting old, or when I have to take my contact lenses out and it like scratching at your eyes. I don't know. I feel like I'm complaining all the time at the moment, and I don't mean to, because you know, I'm living the dream and living the life to the fullest, as I keep on advocating.
You're drinking life to the fullest.
I know, yeah, people say that. Is it beer time? Yeah, it's always beer time. I'm getting Sean drinking his beer.
You could dip the fucking biscuits in that.
And it'd
You could
float.
put a custard cream in that.
And it'd float, wouldn't it?
It'd be fucking, you could taste it, Marie.
Be careful when you're drinking beer in France. They have so many flavoured beers. Up to now, it's been great.
Sticks with pills.
Well, I'm sure we said pills to this one, and they just ignored us. Anyway, I'll try and get this down, and hopefully before the night is over, I'll say good night and close today, and then tomorrow's a new one. But before that ends, I'll check in with you again. Bye. Well, I think that's goodbye to Abyss. It's been raining for the first time in the tour, but it's still really humid. So I think Sean's just packing up now. I don't know if you can see through there. Get some water because breakfast was a little bit disappointing. Again, pastries. Don't mind a few pastries every now and then, but it's not a staple diet, is it? How are we getting on? We're getting there. Like I say, grey skies, which is kind of welcome, but I don't even know whether yeah, I don't think I need this hoodie. So I'm going to just pass over these bits to Sean, go and get some water, because a little bit of water will help. I want a glass of water before we leave.
Could do,
yeah. Yeah, okay, turn me off.
Turn you off.
My hands.
Well, good morning, folks. Today is Tuesday morning. It's about 9 o'clock, I think, 9:11. So we're going to Rennes. Going to the Mercure at Rennes. It's only a quick, this is like a stopover, because tomorrow morning we've got the ferry from St Malo. So getting the bike, so it's a cracking car park at this, but it's at the back of the hotel. It's not so bad going in, but coming out, it's like a 10-second blind climb, which is quite steep, but you can't see. You've got to press a code, but you can't see if the doors are open. So you just got to take the chance that the doors have opened, because it'll be, you won't like stop on it. Anyway, so we're taking just normal roads. We've took motorways and all that off, and at the moment it's got 4 hours 23, but we'll just see how we get on. I believe at the Mercure you can check in a bit earlier, so we'll just play that by ear. Anyway, I'll see you up road. Oh my god, look at you. Aren't you glad I left that on, folks? See you up road, folks. So folks, as you can probably see, the very first bit of drizzle of the tour, but it's not cold. So we've got the waterproofs anyway in the on the top of the back box, but I won't want to put them on yet anyway, because like I say, it's still about 25 degrees. Yeah, and when they've got mesh jackets on, so they'll dry instantly. You'll know if you go touring, this is probably the hardest part of the morning thing, getting out of whatever city or town you've visited. Well, Poitiers is a lovely place, gorgeous place. So we're just going to leave the back roads on for now, just see how we get on. If we are struggling for time, we will just throw the last bit of motorway on, because it's just more of a relaxing night tonight. And we'll have to be out to the hotel for what, 7:30 latest, to go and check in for the ferry at St Malo. Yeah, fair say about parking. That's why we've picked the Mercure. It's cheap enough in Rennes, and it's only 54 minutes according to the Google Maps. It's only 54 minutes to the ferry from there. So that's just nice. I get up, hopefully get a quick brew on that, and then we'll get to the Eld ferry port. Oh, going on here? Random place, and different sets of lights. Unless there's something coming out of there. Unless this street's a one-way street, you know, single track thing. Well folks, as you can see, first speckles of rain of the tour. We've been unbelievably lucky up to now. To be fair, it's only spitting light, but first part of the tour. As I said, we've got waterproofs at back box, but I think we're going to plod on for now. It has only forecast the odd shower, and we're wearing mesh jackets. They dry within minutes. Well, these are the routes today. Just roads like this all the way to Rennes, if that's how you pronounce it. Rennes, Rennes, God knows. Oh, give it a wipe. Everything's performing brilliantly. Fueled up about half an hour ago. That'll get us most of the way there, but then what we're going to do, we'll fill up just before Rennes, and that means we've got full tanks for the boat in the morning, because it's a 50 minutes ride in the morning to get to the ferry port at St Malo. So we don't want to be coming out of the hotel and needing fuel straight away. Plus we'll be good for when we get off the boat then.
A much needed stop. You probably can't see, but the bikes are over there somewhere. We can see them now, they're safe. So we've got about 250 more kilometres to do.
Oh yeah.
Haven't we not? Got 150 more kilometres?
Yeah, just dropped to that. I thought things even down.
So we've done we've done half the distance. I generally work in minutes, Sean works in kilometres, so for me we've done 2.5 hours, and that was with a petrol break and change the visor, because I had the dark visor on and I needed to put the light one on, and put my hoodie back on as well, because it's been lashing down. This is glamorous, isn't it? McDonald's. I'm not really a McDonald's person, but it needs must when you're on the bike. What?
84 miles to do.
Anyway, shove this down our gobs and touch base with you when we're finished and we're back on the bikes.
Well folks, I'll let this lady cross. Go on love, go on. Top speed. Well, we just stopped for food. McDonald's, unbelievable. I've not had a Mackey's for years, but except for this town now where everywhere's open, it's all dead lively. Everywhere's been really, everything's been really quiet. Yeah, it's like you can see all the cars parked over there. There's cars everywhere. Yes, we had a Mackey's. I had a double cheeseburger. Faye had a McChicken sandwich, and we shared some chips and 2 cappuccinos just to seal the deal. But yeah, anyway, it's food and it was nowhere else open, honestly. It's been everywhere's been like a ghost town. Never seen it this quiet. Even like the so-called busy towns, looks like everywhere's been shut. Yeah, so just a couple of hours away now from Rennes, or however you pronounce it. Just hoping we can get parked up in there, because apparently the car park's not the biggest. We're at the McCure, but apparently the car park's not the biggest, but I'm sure we can squeeze 2 bikes in. What the hell? This is nice. Oh, camper, bit of stealth camping down there, we like that. That'll be us soon though. Bit of stealthage. Le Grand Bras closed. Oh, folks, quick sit rep. 67 k's to go. I say we've not been no motorways, no toll roads. Just it's been like this all day. It's been great. But, as I keep saying, I've never known it to be so quiet. There's literally nowhere open. He's the only person I've seen, him there. He's probably lost. Yeah, it's weird. Unless it's some mad bank holiday we don't know about. But virtually everything's shut. Fuck off. Oh, sorry folks. 2 holes it flown, I went through both of them. Look at this, this castle or ruined. Oh, must have been a castle here once upon a time. Swing wide, love. At home you sleep a lot.
Yeah, here. At home you sleep. And I do so much.
Well, what'd you do?
Miles and miles and miles and miles of road.
On the Risky Rebel. Been alright though, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Worked a treat. Fair. You need a bit of the old and a bit of don't always mean it's uncomfortable, that though. I know, but even soft doesn't always mean comfortable.
Oh God, yours is spongy.
I know, but it doesn't always mean it's comfortable though. Sometimes they can be too soft and it hurts your back.
So ask the guys, did anyone ask you that knows anything about sheepskin stuff?
Yeah, Faye wants a sheepskin thing for when we're touring next time, because I think she wants to do Black Forest next. What's the... Cuba?
Yeah.
How the fuck are we going to get Cuba?
I don't know, but we'll find out.
Why? What? You've just made that up? No. You've never mentioned Cuba in your life?
Well, I just did. I've been, you know, on the road. You think a lot.
Fucking Cuba?
Cuba?
Ugh.
What are you saying?
Ugh. Folks, you see, this is what I've got to deal with. I have to deal with this shit. Honestly. It's not. We're just because we're going down this lane, aren't we? You only see behind you though, don't you? Because the traffic's on the right, isn't it? There's stuff coming anyway, so slow down, take it steady. Yep. I doesn't know because I've probably touched them. They're not on now. My hazard lights were on and everything. Very nice. Lily pads everywhere. Oh, we're playing this path here. Oh no, yeah, I'm probably just seeing the straps are still tight on them. Ugh, fucking hell. Fucking hell. Another one shut. The door's closed.